In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get discounted in Zoom Plan. We'll walk through how to spot a discount offer inside the Zoom web portal, apply it, and move through checkout with confidence. I'll also share a few practical tips so you know exactly what to look for and how to confirm the savings before you pay. Start by opening the Zoom web portal in your desktop browser while you're signed in to your account. As you browse your account pages, keep an eye out for a pop-up or banner promoting a limited-time discount or upgrade offer. These offers often appear while you're viewing account-related sections, and they're designed to make it easy to save without hunting through menus. When you see the promotion, click the button labeled Redeem Offer. That button is your direct path to the checkout flow with the promotion attached. Clicking it will take you to Zoom's Purchase Configuration page, where the discount is automatically applied to the eligible plan. You won't need to enter a promo code. The system attaches the offer for you. On the purchase page, look closely at the pricing details. You should see the discount clearly called out, typically a $25 discount in this example, reflected in the order summary. Check the subtotal to make sure the amount has been reduced before taxes or any regional fees. If your account uses a different currency or region, the display may vary slightly, but the discount line should still be visible and easy to verify. If everything looks right and you want to move forward, click Continue to Checkout. Before you finalize the purchase, review the essentials one more time. Confirm the plan type, the billing cycle you prefer, monthly or annual, the number of licenses, and your payment method. Make sure the discount still appears on the final review screen so you know it will be included in the total you're about to pay. A few quick tips to keep in mind. These offers can be targeted, so availability may vary by account, timing, and region. Promotions generally don't stack, so if you're already using another code or special price, the system may only allow one discount. Taxes and local fees are added after the discount, so your final total may differ from the subtotal. If the promotion disappears during checkout, go back to the previous page or refresh to ensure it's reapplied before placing the order. That's it. Watch for the in-portal pop-up, click Redeem Offer, confirm you see the $25 discount, and continue to checkout when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the savings on your Zoom plan.